Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This video is on FCEL, ticker symbol FCEL, FCEL, and today the share price was up 15% and even after hours we are up by 1%. You can see a nice curve for today, $10, it became all the way to 11.54. If you look at a 5-day chart, you see it was moving sideways and finally it broke out. So in this particular video, I'll talk why it broke out and also what is the technical analysis, the support, resistance, and what you should be doing, and also if there is any earning, then what's the earning expectation. At the same time, some call option if you want to make some quick profit using buying some call option. So that will be a very jam-packed video. So stay tuned till the very end, and I hope you will like this particular video. And if you find this video useful, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. First of all, congratulations whoever is subscribed to this particular channel and whoever is following. I know many of you are following this channel, and in my last video yesterday I talked about BNGO, I talked about AMC, BlackBerry, CCIV, Microvision, and all of those exploded today, and using call option we made a lot of profit. I'm very happy. It's a solid green day, and I think your portfolio is also looking really green. So again, congratulations and thanks for being a part of this journey together. Anyway, so looking at FCEL, this is the price. So you see how fast it went when the day started, and during the whole day it moved sideways, which is looking really good. Even after market it is solid, it did not came down, just a solid run up, so it's looking really good. So in the next chart I will talk about the support, resistance, and some other factors, but before that I want to show you something, that the short interest for FCEL is 23%, and we know this is the market where the shares, the companies that have very high short interest, AMC, BlackBerry, GME, Microvision, and you name it, right? Bed Bath Beyond, so all of them are running. So FCEL also has a high short interest, 23%. Anything over 20 is high short interest. So it has 23% high short interest. So we will see how things will change, but definitely this is something you should be keeping in your mind when you are trading this particular one. Now look at the volume today. The average volume is 21.9 million and today's volume is almost 38 million. So we got almost close to double the volume. So that is good. More volumes are coming, and also if you know, they have an earning soon. So I will also talk about the earning soon, but maybe I'll just show you here. Look at the earning 11th of June. So today is 7th of June, so we have few days, then the earning will come. So sometimes there is an earning run up as well. Also I will be broadcasting live the earning call from this particular channel, so if you are subscribed and you selected the all notification, then you will get a notification when I'm live for this particular one. Anyway, look at the volume, looking excellent. If you look at the volume today, the yellow bars are the volume today. So consistent volume throughout the day. So a big spike during noon, and then again end of the day there is a big spike. If you look at historical volume, there were some massive volume, but with time volumes are drying. But again, if we see more volumes are coming, we will see this thing will go up. The blue line is the price. You see it is pointing up, which is looking also good. I also look at the most active stock option, and I found FCEL somewhere here. Yeah, this is the FCEL one. So today, like almost 133,000 call options were bought, and 83.1% are call options. So 83% people are betting on FCEL that it will go up, so they have more call option. Only 17% is put option. Okay, let's go back to the chart, and after that I want to talk a little bit about plug news, an article on FCEL. And I think this is important for you because you need to know what is the expectation for the upcoming earning, and also I will talk about the call option, how we can play call option. But before that, let's go back to the chart, because here are many viewers, they already know about the company, they are more interested, so I do not want to waste their time. Our time is precious. Anyway, so first of all, if you look at the trend here, that was the falling trend, right? You can draw this way, or maybe you can draw this way. Anyway, you can draw, you can see that the trend is reversed, because now we are on that side and now we are going up. So all the downward pressure for FCEL is gone, and now we are moving on the other side, which is really looking nice. What about the support and resistance? few important lines I want to draw here, and I think currently we are right at that point, right? So you see this line around 11.6, it was a support previously, then yes, we came down, and today we are trying to break this particular line. Maybe I'll show you here. You see we are trying to push, right? We are trying to push, even though after market we are up, we are 11.65. It is important to see pre-market, can we sustain that level? Maybe pre-market we will go up or down, or maybe when the market will open we will be around here. The important thing is, if we dip, are we going below this resistance 11.6, or we are maintaining this as a new support? If we come down and bounce off that particular line, that would be the best thing, and that would be the confirmation that 11.6 is the new support. What about other resistance? So let me draw a few more lines here, right? So I think another one is definitely 15.5. You see that was acting as a support for some time, and after that, once it is broken, it became a resistance. We tried to break it once, twice, we couldn't. Now if we can go above 11.6, I think we will run towards 15.6. If we want another resistance in between, then I think this is the line I should be drawing here, which is around 13.88. and again, why you see it is touching here, it was a support here, then it became some kind of resistance here. So that's the thing. If we can go above 11.6, I think we will run towards 11.8, then around 15.5. On the other side, in case we come down, how far we can come down? So definitely we had a support around 7.5. It was the support before all the run happens, and again it was a nice circle. From 7 it went to 29 4 times, again it came down, but the good thing is 7.5, that support was held strong. So that's the good thing, and I think we are not coming down unless there is a big correction to the market, or if there is very bad earning. So that is another thing. Anyway, other than that, another green line here, which is around 10.1. If you look at the chart here, so it was moving around 10, then the run started. So I think this is the area again. You see it was a support here, then we are moving sideways. So in case it comes down, maybe 10 would be one support, and the bottom support will be around 7.8 or 7.5. Anyway, I'm very bullish because the earning is coming soon. It has a high short interest, so I'm not looking to $7. My thing is, if it comes down, maybe it can come down to 10, or if we can break the resistance of 11.6, we will run towards 13.8, 15.5. And one last thing I want to draw, in case we had an insane run up, which will be around 18.5. You see 18.5 was rejected few times. So that's the overall plan. And now let me look at some articles, because you need to know what is the expectation for earning. If you know the last two earning was not very good, and what we are expecting for this upcoming earning. Anyway, if you know that whenever Plug Power runs, Fuel Cell also loves to run. So today Plug Power, Fuel Cell, Jivo, everything was running, right? So market was overall green, and they also had a news, right? Is Plug stock a buy as it teams with European auto giant? So news came today. I'm not going to cover this news because this is not a Plug Power, but anyway, on June 3rd, Plug and French car maker, they had a what is the partnership, right? Anyway, now this is important. I want to look at it. The Investors Business Daily, that report came, I think today, right? Yeah, it came today around 1 p.m. So if Fuel Cell Energy a buy ahead of its earning report. So it talks about so many things, charting and everything. I don't care, right? So on March 16, Fuel Cell reported wider than expected losses for the first quarter, as revenue also fell short of Wall Street estimate. The backlog decreased as well. The company will report Q2 result before the market open on Thursday. Analysts see the hydrogen fuel cell maker reports a loss of 5 cents per share, down from a 7 cent per share loss, which will be good because it will be less loss. Also, revenue is seen rising 1.6% to 19.2%. Sorry, 1.6% to 19 million. Wall Street sees Fuel Cell posting a loss for the fiscal year, revenue growth exceeded 47%, and so on, right? Okay, now what was the last earning? This is also important to know, but before that, look at here, right? So Fuel Cell is having their earning on June 10th. We know about it. The company delivered a negative earnings surprise of 50% last time. Okay, so for this earning, what factors to note? Its fiscal second quarter earnings are expected to have gained from increasing adoption of fuel cell technology and proper execution of projects. Okay, it lowered debt via proceeds from an equity offering, which in turn is likely to have helped the company reduce capital servicing costs in the fiscal second quarter. So they are predicting something good. The JAX consensus estimate for the top and bottom line is pegged at 19.18 million and the loss of 5 cents per share. The top and bottom line estimate indicate year-to-year growth of 1.6% and 18.6% respectively. And it also talks about the thing and everything, earning whisper, and this, yeah, and it has a rank of 3. Okay, so what is 3? 3 is hold. Anyway, these are the recent news. Now I'm here to talk about making money. If you are long on fuel cell, that is different. I'm long on fuel cell because I have been playing this year from 7 to 29, and then I bought again around 18, then 14, then again at $7. So I have been averaging down. So my price target near term is around 17 or $18, and I think it can go up to 18.5. So maybe I will get out, and maybe once there will be another dip, I will get in. That is my plan. But at the same time, if I see tomorrow we maintain 11.6 as a support, maybe I'll just play some call option. By the way, I also sold some covered call today because I know, like, I will just make some passive income. Anyway, so the earning is coming soon. If you want, you can play with 18th of June expiry date. Again, it will give you only 11 days to expire. But again, what is your target? If your target is around $14 or $16, then you can try anything here. So if you take even this one, you see the premium is not that expensive. 11.5 plus 1.22 is 12.7. So 12.7, do you think we can go? Yes. If we go over this particular line, we can go around 13.5 easily. So anything, if you want, you can go with any of these, but look at the implied volatility, 150%. That's a lot. If it moves sideways or if it comes down, then you will lose a lot of money. So play it correctly if you want to play with call option. The volatility is very high, that is important. Or if you want to give it more time, you can take a long expiry date. But again, I'm not very sure about the earning. Their earnings were not good. So before the earning, if there is a run up, participate in the run up, make some money and get out. Or if you're long, then if there is bad earning, if the share price comes down, then buy more share and average down. This is how I will be playing. So most probably I will go with this one, this, which will give me only 11 days to expire, and I will just take like 11 or 12, any strike, not very expensive. 12 strike has only $100 premium, so I pay $100, and if it goes up by $1, I make $49. So if I'm lucky, and if tomorrow fuel cell is up by $1, my $100 call option will become $150. I said it, I get 50% profit. That's my plan. The premiums are not very expensive. That's the good thing, right? This is how I'm planning. So again, if you want, pause the video and look at the support and resistance and let me know, are we talking same way or am I wrong or something? Anyway, my friend, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. I made another video on Clover Health. We had a massive 32% today, and I think we will have even bigger squeeze tomorrow because the aftermarket Clover Health is also up by 8%. Please check that video, and I think after this video I will make another video on sundial or microvision. So keep an eye and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you selected the all option so that you don't miss any notification when I post any video. I also plan to make pre-market live sessions. So again, this is something I'm thinking of continuing every day. So again, I need your help, and if I see more and more people are participating, I will just continue that. Anyway, my friend, do not want to make a super long video. We have so many things to do. Exciting day, exciting week is coming. Thanks for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.